a robot creation using Chat GPT. This robot is it's called an expert advisor and can be used on MT4 platform to trade any instrument automatically. So the prompt I gave is like this. You can read here. So I'm asking ChatGPT to use one indicator code, which I'm pasting below, and then giving a very simple logic to how to open and close trades. So this is the code of that indicator, which actually it's a my own creation. I created this code and has been used um, has been using this for quite some time, but I was doing manually. So this is the first basic code ChatGPT is giving me. This is the code. When I copied this code and pasted in a processor and then I compiled it, and after compilation I started using it in the MT4 platform. So everything was okay. The first version worked well, but then no, sorry, there was some error message coming up in the first version, which got rectified here in the second version. And so then after that, I just requested for a small modification that at any point of time, only one trade should be opened and the previous one should be closed. And then ChatGPT updated the code and gave me a new version. Fine. This also worked perfectly without any error, a bug. And finally, I asked for a new module to be added, which is a money management module, where a fixed percentage of equity or a fixed dollar sum can be risked per trade. And ChatGPT updated the code and gave me a final version. So each time I compiled the code, checked for error, and then saved it and ran it. I'm currently running it in a strategy tester. So you can see here, it's a simulation and the robot is automatically opening and closing trades. So right now we are in a sell trade and we can see the progress here. So this is the progress, gradually opening and closing one after another. So let's see what we got here. We have so far 5 trades, just 1 profitable and 3 losses, but still not bad. Too early to comment. Yeah, it's okay. Means we may get bad result and then there will be a scope of further modifications. But the point here is that how smoothly a completely automated expert advisor can be created using ChatGPT if you can make it understand the exact logic and provide the right input. That's it. So I will pause this video for some time and we'll come back and check later how the strategy tester worked. A few more trades were taken. We can see a smooth, nice upward equity curve is being formed. And these are the actual results. I have not used the money management module here. So all these trades are at a fixed lot size of 0.1. Pausing it again and we'll see later. So we are looking at only 1 day's history here. So this blue rectangle area is a 24-hour day, will comprise of 24 such candles. So we are kind of in a midway. Uh, the market was volatile on that day. So it went up, came back sharply to the opening area, and then started going up, and then now we got a range breakout to the upside, and the program has opened a buy trade. This is about to be closed very soon, so we'll get some good decent profit here. And then similarly we have approximately 12 more hours to go, and we'll see what happens at the end of the day. So keep watching. That long candle gave us some good profit. The equity graph is looking very good so far, and we are again in a buy trade now. Let's see what happens after some time. After a few hours of progress, let's look at the graph. Okay, so we got a new high in the equity curve, and the day has been really volatile. So that was particularly the reason to choose this day, because of these wild swings we could see on that day. So, and another thing worth noting is the this one. So the entries. So for this long bull candle, we had a buy entry here. For this long bearish white candle, we had a sell entry here. For this also we had a sell entry here. This was a long bearish candle and we got a sell entry here. This was a long bullish candle. We got a sell entry here at the bottom. So everything is looking fantastic, and this current trade as well, we have a sell entry right at the open, and the price is smoothly going down. So we'll stop this video, but we'll continue testing this thing for many more days, and we'll update you guys later.